Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have entry 2 into my giveaway. It's from Tonya, who is Sunflower Dragon Queen. So let's open the card. Uh-oh, can I get in there? And she sent me some goodies. She didn't have to. Thank you, Hundo, for doing so. That's so sweet. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at the little birthday cake washi. Oh, this is so pretty. So it says, Gigi, wishing you a very happy birthday from Tonya. My YouTube is Sunflower Dragon Queen. Okay. My favorite YouTube channel, Cricut Chat with Miss Rita. I am currently trying to learn how to use my Cricut Maker 3, and my Cricut Joy machines. So that's what she wrote on the back. So I'll have to check that out. I don't have a Cricut, so I'm gonna see what else she has to offer on there if she does anything for me. But this card is so cute. Thank you. I like the cupcake with the sparklers. Okay, so let's open up the goodies. It's always fun to receive goodies. Oh, this is awesome. It's a die. Spice Stamp Pin Disc. It's called Make Pop Cutting Dies. So I guess it's so you can pop things out from your card. Oh yeah, it gives you step by step on here. And it shows you here how to use it and how else to use it down here. I'm gonna have to try this out. I've never done that. Thank you, hon. That was so sweet. That looks interesting and kind of hard. I'm kind of scared. I can figure it out though, right? I can look on YouTube. So thank you, hun, for that. Oh, I love it. She sent me a pen, a nautical pen. Isn't that darling? Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you. You guys doesn't know I love pens. Love, love, love pens. I collect them. And she knows because she watches. Oh, she sent me some bees. And then there's a little something in this little bag right here. Maybe an ATC or something. It's a special day. That's sweet. Oh, and I have kitties. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it says make a wish with the kitty. That's so cute. She sent me some bee charms. Oh, I love them. Thank you so much, hun. Oh, I appreciate everything. So guys, just send me an email if you're interested in joining. Okay, love you guys. Thank you, Tonya. Bye.